Can you believe that is in Oklahoma? That's why we do Where in the State. And today, so much to see and do.
Yeah, they got a floating restaurant, cabins, hiking, a fishing pond. We better get started, Jeff.
Keystone, let's go find out more.
On this week's Where in the State, #WITS, we were challenged.
I challenge you, be a state park enthusiast.
Challenge accepted.
Shelley Zumwalt is the executive director of the Oklahoma Tourism and Recreation Department.
With over 30 state parks, we start at Keystone because Shelley has a personal experience here.
2 years ago, my family actually had our reunion here, and I had never been here. We rented a house here and looking out over the lake because it's built up in a way that there's not a ton of beaches. It's rocky, and it gives you that feel like you're almost in the Pacific Northwest because you've got the trees, you've got the foliage, you've got this this platform to really be viewing the lake. And then you get in the lake, and it's just beautiful.
Now I know you want to do what Shelley and her family did. Visit Keystone Lake. Chad McCall, the park manager, tells us more.
Here inside the park, we have Pier 51 Marina. They do boat rentals, they do slip rentals. They have a full-service ship store. Go in there and get everything you need. They have gas dogs out back. We also have Winds on the Water, which is a seasonal floating restaurant here at the marina, which has full-service bar, all kinds of great food.
You so got to book now to stay in that cabin with the jacuzzi, pick out your RV or camping spot, then go fishing.
Hiking, wildlife watching, play in the ATV ORV areas, and host your wedding or family reunion.
Whoa, Rachel, we have done so much. I am ready just to chill.
Absolutely.
Right? So let's do this, and let's tell you to check out Keystone State Park. This is amazing.
And when you tell them about it, tell them you heard it here on Where in the State.
See you guys.